So let us take a look at this example together. Very simple. Now in this example, two things are very important here. Two things are very important. And what are they? We're given that sine theta is minus 1 over 2, and also we're given that our theta is in between 180 degree and 270 degree. Now from the previous video, where is 180 and 270 lie? This is 0, this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270 degree, this is 360 degree. So this is where we have it. And in this quadrant, we have, don't forget, all students take Coke. All students take Coke. So in this quadrant, in the third quadrant now, we're told that sine theta is negative, cos theta is also negative, and tan theta is positive. Now if you look at the question given to us, we can see that it matches the quadrant, because sine theta is minus 1 over 2. So the next thing to do now is to find other trigonometric ratio. Now don't forget, I said you are going to start by using the right angle triangle. Now your sine theta, the sine theta you are given is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So sine theta is minus 1 over 2, and that means we have opposite over hypotenuse. Don't forget, from SOHCAHTOA, opposite over hypotenuse. Now don't stress yourself putting the negative sign. No, don't stress yourself, just write 1. You know, I told you, whenever your angle is facing, is the opposite. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 2, hypotenuse, that is 2. Now how are you now going to get the third side? How are you now going to get the third side? I said we are going to use what we call Pythagoras theorem, that is c square is equal to a square plus b square, and the c square we have here is 2. That means we have 2 square is equal to 1 square plus, let's say, b square. If this is c, this is a, and this is b, so we have 4 minus 1 is equal to b square. So b square is equal to 3. So b is equal to root 3. Good. So that means what we have here is b is root 3. Now since we've gotten the value for the 3 sides, that is opposite, the opposite, the opposite, the adjacent, and the hypotenuse, so we can easily find the according to the question, we have to find cos theta, tan theta, and others. So with this we can easily find them. So just we write what we got. We got this, we got this. So we have 1 here, and we have 2 here, and we have root 3 here. Now don't forget, according to the question, sine theta is minus 1 over 2. Now cos theta is what? From here, cos theta is expected to be, according to this, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent. Where is my adjacent? Adjacent. This is opposite. This is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. So cos theta is expected to be root 3 over 2. But because of the quadrant, don't forget, The quadrant is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, so you add minus 2. You can see how simple it is. How simple it is. Because in the third quadrant, sine is negative. Cos, sine and cos, they are both negative. That means your answer must be a negative answer. Now, moving on. The last one is tan theta. Since tan theta is opposite over adjacent, and it is positive, so we write 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3. Very, very simple, and it is positive. Now, don't forget, whatever happens to sin theta will happens to cosec theta, because cosec theta is coming from sin theta. That means we can easily write cosec theta, which is equal to 1 over sin theta, as 1 over minus 1 over 2, and that's what? Minus 2. Also, sec theta is 1 over cos theta. And what is cos theta? Minus root 3 over 2, and that is what? Minus 2 over root 3. And the last one, which is tan theta, which is cot theta. Cot theta is 1 over tan theta, and that is equal to 1 over root 3, and that is equal to what? That is equal to root 3. So you can see now, because of the quadrants, you can't just write any answer you want. After getting your answer, you have to look at the sign. Does it satisfy the quadrant? Because we are working with the third quadrant now, only tan is positive. Only tan is positive. So watch out. Subscribe to the channel. Like and comment as well. More examples are still coming. Thank you.